Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Loganathan and this video regarding CNCI examination professional answer keys for the post of staff nurse examination which was held on the date of July 4, 2021. These professional answer keys can be much helpful in the upcoming examination of NIMANS, ESI and CHO and CRPF and BSF examinations. And so far, if you are not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's go on to that all 100 questions with the key answers. So the first question, the warning sign of lung cancer include persistent cough, blood sputum, dyspnea, and which of the following symptoms can be continued? The options are dyspnea, hypotension, generalized weakness, and recurrent pleural effusion. So the correct answer is recurrent pleural effusion is another symptom. And the second question, at the time of diagnosis of Hodgkin's lymphoma, which of the following area is often involved? So this is mainly involved for the head and neck. So here option neck is correct answer. And the fourth question, which of the following is a malignant tumor of the connective tissue? So the correct answer is sarcoma. And fourth one, so which of the following is suggested surgical intervention for the CA prostate? So the correct answer is radical prostatectomy. So that is a correct surgical management for the CA prostate. And fifth question, which type of cancer has poorest prognosis given below? So according to the given options, so the correct answer is pancreatic cancer. This is the one of the poorest prognosis the patient will use to get even that multiple attempt of treatment. And sixth question, which of the following is the future of the benign tumor? So the correct answer is C, contained within the capsule. And seventh question, the patient with the cancer is receiving chemotherapy and develop thrombocytopenia. The nurse identify which intervention as the highest priority in the nursing plan of care. So the correct answer is B, monitoring the platelet count. So on the eighth question, in the patient with a terminal lung cancer, the focus of nursing care is on which of the following nursing intervention? So the correct answer is providing the pain control can be much effective in case of lung cancer patient. And the ninth question, Mr. Sharma with advanced breast cancer is prescribed tamoxifen, that is Nalvodec. When teaching the patient about this drug, the nurse should emphasize the importance of reporting which adverse reactions immediately. So the correct answer is vision changes. So this drug mainly will cause the visual changes. So in the 10th question, Kaposis sarcoma is the type of cancer which is common in the people with the HIV problem. And the 11th question, which of the following is the malignant tumor of the bone? So the correct answer is osteogenic sarcoma. Then the 12th one, a male patient is receiving external radiation to the neck of the cancer and the larynx. The most likely side effect to be expected in this case is the sore throat. And 13th one, which of the following is the diagnosis test for the diagnosis of the prostate cancer? So the correct option is D, all of the above. For example, the digital rectal examination and prostate specific antigen, that is a PSA, and the prostate biopsy. All are correct option for diagnosing the prostate cancer. So the 14th one, the presence of which protein in the urine is suggestive of diagnosis of multiple myeloma? So the correct answer is C, Benz-Jones protein is the correct answer for identifying the multiple myeloma. And the next 15th one, the patient with leukemia is receiving busflan and allopurinol. The nurse tell the patient that the purpose of allopurinol is to prevent which of the following problem? So the correct answer is hyperuricemia. And the 16th one, yeah, the nurse is teaching a patient who suspects that she has a lump in her breast. The nurse instructs the patient that the diagnosis of breast cancer is confirmed with the help of following answer. We need to find out, that is a fine needle aspiration. So that is the correct one. And the 17th question, the common cancer in the oral cavity is, the correct one is squamous cell carcinoma. And the 18th question, a 36 years old man with a lymphoma present with the signs of impending septic shock 9 days after the chemotherapy. The nurse would expect which of the following to be present? So the correct answer is B, the low grade fever, chills and tachycardia. So the 19th question, in standing and grading of neoplasm, TNN symptom is used. What is the TNM stands for? So the correct answer is the tumor, node and metastasis. That is the stand for TNM. And the 20th question, the patient has undergone external radiation therapy. The expected side effect include the following apart from. So the correct answer is C, constipation. Sorry, the skin reactions are common in radiation therapy. Nursing responsibility on promoting skin integrity should be promoted apart from. The correct answer is C, washing the area with the mild soap and the water and patting it dry and not rubbing it. So this one will not be done in the case of the radiation therapy. So the 22nd, the patient protected is very important to implement when performing nursing procedure. When the nurse is not performing any nursing procedure, what distance should be maintained from the patient? So the correct answer is 3 feet. So that is a safest distance can be done when you are not carrying the patient. And 23, a patient is taking cyclophosphamide for the treatment of lymphoma. The nurse is very cautious while administering the medication because this drug poses the fatal side effect of hemorrhagic cystitis. So in 24, the specific classification of chemotherapeutic agent, that is a vincristine, is used for the purpose of meiotic inhibitor. And 25, a 25 years old patient is inquiring about the method or ways to detect cancer earlier. The nurse least likely identify this method by standing annual pap smear for the sexually active woman only. And 26, all are recognized tumor markers except, so the correct answer is acid phosphatase is the correct one. And 27, least amenable to screening is, among the given problem, the lung cancer is one of the least amenable for the screening process. And 28, in which of the following head and neck cancer is lymph node mastitis least common? So the correct answer is hard palate. And 29, second rise of all following caused osteolysis lesion except, so the correct answer is prostate. And 30th one, the treatment of bone metastasis is by which of the following thing? That is the Samarium 153. And the 31st, hypercalcemia associated with malignancy is most often mediated by the PTH or P. And 32, the patient with leukemia on the chemotherapy develops acute lower abdominal pain associated with anemia. There's thrombocytopenia and leukopenia, And which of the following is the clinical diagnosis for this case? That is that neutropenic colitis. And 33, the drug used for estrogen dependent breast cancer is tamoxifen. And 34, all are removed in radical mastectomy except the supraclavicular node. And 35, estrogen receptor studies in carcinoma breast is done on tumor tissue. And 36, the complication of total thyroidectomy including all except, so the correct answer is hypercalcemia. 37, in the post-operative room after the thyroid surgery, the patient developed breathlessness and the wound was seen bulging with the blood stained. Which would be the first thing to do by the nurse? The correct one is remove the stitches and take the patient to the OT. And 38, after the cholecystectomy, there was 50 ml bile output from the drain on the first post-operative day. So what is the management is? So the correct answer is D, the observation. And the next question 39, which maneuver is done to temporarily stop inadvertent bleeding during the cholecystectomy? So the correct answer is C, B, Bringle. The 40th one, the following anastomosis are done in Whipple procedure except, so the correct one is jejunostomy. And 41, the most likely cause of fluctuating jaundice in the middle aged or elderly aged is, the correct one is periampullary cancer. Then the 42, most common cause of upper GI bleeding is, so the correct one is gastric ulcer. And 43, a 60 years old man suffering from left colon cancer presented with the acute left colonic obstruction and the treatment is dash. The correct option is a primary reduction and Hartmann procedure. So the next one, 44. The PCG is used in the treatment of which of the following things? That is, the carcinoma of the urinary bladder, the PCG will be utilized. And 45. Most radiation sensitive testicular tumor is seminoma. So, and 46, most common site to put the chest drain in case of pleural effusion. So the correct option is B, 7th intercostal space mid-axillary line. So the next 47, the viral causing head and neck cancer EBV. So the next one 48, all these are feeding tubes except, so the correct one is T tube. So this is not the feeding tube. And 49, all these are types of esophageal surgeries except, so the correct one is cytoreduction. So the next 50th one, AFB is raised in case of HCC. So all this detailed explanation already I have given in that memory based question. Hence I am discussing only with that question and the key answers. So the 51, name the non-stimulant drug with non-epinephrine reuptake inhibition action used in the treatment of ADHD. So the correct answer is atomoxetine. So then 52, how should a nurse administer an iron injection to an adult? So the correct answer is by using that Z-track intramuscular line we can administer. So the next one, 53, the expected height of the normal child at the 12-month is, so the correct option is 75 centimeter. And the next one, increased depth of breathing with a normal respiratory rate is called. The correct answer is hyperapnea. And 55, the nurse enters a room and find a patient lying on the floor. Which action should the nurse perform first? So the correct answer is establish whether the patient is responsive. So the next one, 56, the neural tube defect among the newborn can be prevented by providing which of the following medication? That is the correct answer is folic acid to the mother in the first trimester. So in the 57, what is the hyperemesis gravidarum? So the correct answer is excessive vomiting, which will used to happen during the time of pregnancy. And 58, so which position to be provided to an unconscious patient while performing mouth care? So the correct answer is side-lying position to mainly prevent the aspiration. So in 59, Mr. Sharma developed feature of depression after his divorce. His divorce is considered as which of the following factor? So the correct one is precipitating factors. And the next 60th question. A baby who birth weight of 3 kg, what will be his required weight at the age of 4 years? So the correct option is 16 kg. So the next one, 61. Which anti-tuberculosis drug cause poor vision and difficulty in color perception? So the correct answer is B, ethambutol. So next one. The act of rubbing an oil into the skin to produce the local effect is known as inaction. The next question, 63. A 50 years old man present with a sudden onset of dyspnea, breathlessness and chest pain. On the examination shows dyspnea, hypotension, cyanosis, jugular vein distension, tachycardia and the low-grade fever. The mostly diagnosis is indication for pulmonary embolism. So the next one, 64. While providing care to the patient with the hepatitis, the nurse often should take the special precautions to which of the following? That is, use of gloves when removing the patient bedpan, because that is a fecal-oral route transmission. And 65, the term aphakia means that is the absence of lens. The next one, the uterus fundus height of the pregnancy patient is at the level of umbilicus. Her pregnancy is about which week? So the correct option is 20 to 24 weeks. So the next is 67. As a nurse, you are monitoring a patient in immediate postpartum period. You are checking TPR and BP for every 15 minutes for first hour. Which value suggests you that there is an excessive blood loss? So the correct option is increase the pulse rate around 90 to 102. So the next one, 68. While assessing Mr. Gupta and Borden scale, the score attained was 8, which indicate that the risk of developing the pressure sore for the Gupta is, so the correct answer is very high. So all those rationals already given in the memory based question, once you can check those questions also. So and what is the name of for the opening that connects two atria in the fetal heart? So the correct option is C, foramen ovale. The next 17th one, in which of the following genetic condition the karyotype 47 XXY is seen? So the correct answer is Klinefelter syndrome. The next 71, which statement among the following is true as far as maturation of Graafian follicles is concerned? So the correct option is Maturation is influenced by both FSH and LH hormone. And 72, what immediate nursing intervention will you take in case of blood transfusion reactions? So the correct option is stop the transfusion and monitor the vital signs. And 73, as a staff nurse, you are carrying a patient with psoriasis. Salicylic acid is prescribed to the patient. Which finding indicate that presence of systemic toxicity from the medication? So the correct option is tinnitus. And 74, phyloplastic axis is the point at the intersection of mid-axillary line and the line drawn through the fourth intercostal space. And 75, the name of the receptor on that epidermis that transmit stimuli to the axon through a chemical synapses is known as Merkel cells. And 76, the administration of mesna with the chemotherapy agents mainly helping for which of the following, that is protecting the cells. And the next one, 77, your patient complains of dry mouth with swallowing difficulty. Which among the following drug can produce this side effect when administering in above condition? So the correct option is dicyclomine. And 78, the uterine polarity is known as the neuromuscular harmony between the two uterine segments throughout the labor period. And the 79, the medical treatment of coronary artery disease include which of the following procedures? So the correct answer is B, oral medication administration. And the 80th question, which of the following causative organism is responsible for monolysis? So the correct option is Candidus albicans. So that is the other name. The monolysis other name is Candidus. So the 81, a 30 years old pregnant woman is diagnosed with pulmonary tuberculosis, and which of the following anti-tuberculin drug should not be given in this period? So the correct option is streptomycin. And 82, a disorder of thought in which the patient has false and fixed belief that member of the family are trying to kill him. That is a delusion of persecution. So that 83, kernicterus, which may occur as a complication of jaundice, is the pathological condition of the brain. So the next 84, that is a Monson sign is characterized of advanced case of which condition? The correct option is keratoconus, which will used to happen in the eye. And 85, the Rose Bengal test is used in the diagnosis of the brucellosis. Which of the following neurotransmitter is deficit in case of depression? That is both option A and B. That is serotonin and 5-HT. And 87, the patient receiving IV fluid develops warm tenderness, erythema and pain at the site. The nurse suspect which of the following problem? The correct option is phlebitis. The station is obstetric pelvis is related to ischial spine. So next one, inflammation of the tissue surrounding the nail is known as, so the correct option is paranoia. The 19th question, the name of the neurological disorder characterized by the loss of the ability to execute or carry out the skilled movement and gesture, despite having the desire and the physical ability to perform the activities is known as apraxia. 91, the heat regulation center of the body is located at hypothalamus. And the next one, The nurse administers the ear drops to the 7 years old child. How does the nurse pull the patient ear? So the correct option is upward and backward. And the next one, which of the following is not an isotonic fluid? So the correct option is 5% of dextrose in a normal saline. And the next one, Meniere's disease is related to the ear. The next one, the space between that arachnoid and the biameter is known as subarachnoid space. The next 96, which assessment indicate the nurse about development of cardiogenic shock in the MI patient in a ICU? So the correct option is oliguria. And 97, according to the Freud, which component of personality operate according to the reality principle? The correct option is ego. And the 98, which is not cause of APH? The correct option is B, cord presentation. And 99, the cord clamping is delayed by 1 to 3 minutes in the neonate because of the neonate get the cord blood. And the last question, which of the following causative organism is responsible for syphilis? The correct option is Treponema pallidum. So these are the questions they asked in that CNCI examination. So these questions can be much helpful in the upcoming all examinations. So to keep prepared, continue watch my channel. Thank you everyone.